Hello students, welcome. Here in this question we have aluminium is given. So aluminium metal is heated and the mass is given for this one 73.5 grams and it at the temperature, so it is heated at the temperature 98.7 degrees Celsius, and this is kept in water. This one is aluminium, mass of aluminium and temperature of aluminium, and it is kept in water which is having the mass as 150 grams, and the initial temperature was water is given as 25.4 degrees Celsius. So this aluminium metal is placed in this water. The final temperature was 28.2 degrees Celsius.